Are you experiencing a rough idle, reduced gas mileage, or a noticeable drop in your car's performance? Worn-out spark plugs are often the culprit. In this video, we'll walk you through a simple, step-by-step DIY guide to replacing your spark plugs, a crucial maintenance task that can significantly boost your engine's performance and improve your fuel economy. Identifying failing spark plugs is key. Look out for misfires, which feel like a momentary hesitation or stumble from your engine, especially under acceleration. You might also notice a decrease in fuel efficiency, a harder time starting your car, or the dreaded check engine light illuminating on your dashboard. These are all clear indicators that it might be time for a change. Before we begin, let's gather our tools. You'll need a spark plug socket set, typically 5/8 or 13/16 inch, a ratchet, an extension bar, a torque wrench, a spark plug gapping tool, anti-seize compound, dielectric grease, and of course, your new spark plugs. Always consult your vehicle's manual for the correct type and gap specifications. Safety is paramount. Ensure your engine is completely cool before you start working. Hot engine components can cause severe burns. Disconnect your car's negative battery terminal to prevent accidental electrical shocks or damage to your vehicle's electronic systems. A cool engine also prevents cross-threading of spark plugs into a hot cylinder head. Now let's locate the spark plugs. In most modern vehicles, especially those with 4-cylinder engines, they are usually found on top of the engine, often under ignition coils or spark plug wires. V6 and V8 engines might have them on both sides of the engine. You'll see either a coil pack directly on top of each plug or individual wires leading to them. Carefully remove the ignition coil connectors or spark plug wires. If you have wires, pull them by the boot, not the wire itself, to avoid damage. It's a good idea to label each wire or coil as you remove it to ensure they go back to their correct cylinder, preventing misfires after reassembly. Use compressed air to blow away any debris around the spark plug wells. Using your ratchet and spark plug socket with an extension, slowly loosen each spark plug by turning counterclockwise. Once loose, carefully extract them from the cylinder head. Inspect the old plugs. Their condition can tell you a lot about your engine's health. A healthy plug usually has a light tan or grayish-brown color. Before installing the new plugs, check their gap with your gapping tool, making sure it matches your vehicle's specifications. Apply a small amount of anti-seize compound to the threads of the new spark plugs to prevent them from seizing in the cylinder head over time. Gently hand thread each new plug into its well to avoid cross-threading. Once finger tight, use your torque wrench to tighten them to the manufacturer's specified torque settings. Over-tightening can strip the threads, while under-tightening can cause blowouts. Apply a thin layer of dielectric grease inside the boot of each ignition coil or spark plug wire. This helps prevent corrosion and ensures a good connection. Reconnect the coils or wires to their respective spark plugs, ensuring they click into place or fit snugly. Finally, reattach the negative battery terminal. Start your engine and listen for any unusual noises or misfires. Take it for a short test drive. You should immediately notice a smoother idle, improved acceleration, and a more responsive engine. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced your spark plugs, enhancing your engine's efficiency and longevity. Regular maintenance like this can save you money and keep your car running optimally for years to come.